So my friends, I have a Tuesday morning haul and I'm not set up on a tripod, so please forgive me if it's a little shaky. They had a ton of fall collections, a ton of Halloween collections, Halloween ephemera. They had stickers, die cuts, foam things, tons and tons. And I didn't get any of that stuff except for just this collection. Part of the reason, okay, I don't need any Halloween stuff at all. So for fall collections, they had a couple of them that were adorable, and I realized I had a lot of the stuff in the past from them. I never had this one called Fall Blessings. I had this sheet right here that was in Fall Blessings. So it is definitely not a white backing. It's by Echo Park. Let's see. Why do I think it's 2015, so it is definitely not a newbie. So pretty nice representation of the papers here. You're getting a little glare, sorry about that. I still have it in the packaging. It does have little cut apart cards, and then it also features a pretty decent little blocky alpha. There is a nice border, and then there's some pretty good stuff, like there's banners and some words and that kind of stuff. So really cute fall kit. I picked up just 2 adhesive items. I got a Sticky Thumb solid adhesive runner because I always like to try new ones. And then this one right here is just a repeat buy because every once in a while I work with pom-pom trim or something like that, and this keeps it down super tight. So those are just kind of like those useful things. Next, I did get they had a bunch of the My Mind's Eye ephemera die cuts, whatever you want to call them. Sorry about that. But there were a lot of that, something market, where they're all vintagey and cute and pretty and all that kind of stuff. So I like more of a white base and not as scuffy, if that makes sense to you. So I picked up World Traveler and Cityscapes Mixed Bag. They're both by My Mind's Eye. Let me get out of that little range right there where it's hitting, my light is hitting it just right. So that's what's in these 2 collections if you're thinking about picking them up. This one says, it doesn't say anything. Let's see, there you go. 2019, is that possible that it's there already? Maybe. And same for this one, so I don't know. Oh, maybe. Then I did pick up 2 sets of this Love and Lemon Alpha. It's wood grain with some gold. And then the back side is wood grain with white. And there are 4 sheets. And they're, I'd say, a good 1.5 inches. So I picked up 2 sets of those. All right, so now next is the good. The good. I picked up, I've never gotten this many before, 4 sets of, they're called the Main Squeeze, and I think it's from the It's All Good collection, I think. They are metallic gold puffy alphas with lots and lots and lots and lots of ease. Look at that. And only a few little numbers. So, I don't know. I thought they were the bee's knees. They're absolutely great. Then I picked up 2 sets of these by the It's All Good, and they are the most fabulous aqua puffy alphas, much smaller. They look kind of centimeter-y. I was able to get these are Dear Lizzy. This Dear Lizzy 6x12 sticker sheet is double-sided, so maybe it's actually 12x12 if you think about it. Depends on how you think. But look at that. There's cute little words and a frame. All these. Oh, look at the hedgehog. So cute. There's even a gorgeous pineapple and a flamingo that's looking ever so fancy. So these are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. They had they're called layered stickers. Same collection. Look at how great they are. Do you see that bumblebee? That is so cool. And the Instax camera. So I thought those were great. Almost done. 2 more things. Well, these are a double purchase. I picked up 2 sets of these puffy stickers because I happen to love all things puffy. They're 27. They're so cute. Like, who does not need a pig with roses in their hair? In their hair, in their ears, on their head. So super cute. I kept thinking that 2 of those banners on one layout would be so cute and all that. So I picked up both. And then lastly, I got 1 set of the Dear Lizzy die cut shapes. There's 40 pieces in there. It's one of these kind of like cascade things, but I kind of ripped that off. So it's the full set, and I will show you up close. The first set has this in it, and the second set has this. So that's what I picked up at Tuesday morning, and I thought it went exceedingly well. Hope you like what I found. If you have any questions or anything, ask them right below there. If you want to go ahead and like and subscribe, that would be great. And if you want to be notified, right over there is the notification button. If you click on that, you'll be notified whenever I do a new video. Okay, friends, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.